Welcome to the part 2 of maintaining balance of yin and yang and modern life. In the last video, we talked about 4 factors which affects the balance of yin and yang. To rest and sleep, in this video, we will discuss about 2 other factors which are intuition and inner strength. Let's start with intuition. The world of sleep is allied with the right side of brain with dreaming, imagination, and intuition. Analysis and intuition are complementary faculties, but the balance between them has been lost. In the modern world, there is great overemphasis on analysis and good underdevelopment of intuition. Loss of the intuitive ability greatly increases the level of uncertainty and stress, leading to further depletion of yin. Without intuition, it is difficult for people to see their path in life and easy for them to become entangled in the long-term stressful consequences of unwise decisions. Then comes the inner strength. Inner strength can be developed by daily discipline or routine of deeply relaxing the mind to experience directly the balance of yin and yang. This simultaneous experience of peace and strength can then be allowed to flow out into the life. Thus, outer strength is based on inner strength and stillness. Most people expend their energy in constant stressful activity in the external world, constantly seeking outside of themselves for the peace and strength that can only be found within. By doing this, they deplete their yin and shut themselves off from the source of their real strength. Now I will discuss about the treatment of deficient yin. So deficient yin can be treated symptomatically with points like SP6 and kidney 6, but this is not enough to both replenish yin and prevent future deficiency. A more thorough treatment of deficient yin has several aspects. Number 1, tonify qi. Number 2, tonify yin. Number 3, disperse fire. Number 4, calm the spirit. Number 5, develop inner peace and strength. And number 6, readjust goal. First, we will discuss how to tonify qi or energy. Deficient yin is often based on deficient qi. If there is not enough qi to hold things stable, the patient may alternate between deficient yin and deficient yang. Examples of this are manic depression and menopausal alternations between feelings of heat and feelings of cold. Points such as stomach 36 or spleen 3 that tonify qi and blood can be used in addition to neutral points such as UB23, CV4 and kidney 3 that stabilize the balance between yin and yang by strengthening qi. Number 2, how to tonify yin. Points like SP6 and kidney 6 can be used to strengthen yin in general, and points like lung 5 and heart 6 can be used to tonify the yin of specific organs. Number 3, how to disperse fire. The system of reducing the fire point and reinforcing the water point is effective. Example, kidney 2 reducing method and kidney 10 reinforcing method. If the fire is more extreme, the system of reducing both Jingwell point and yin spring point can be adapted. Example, kidney 1 plus kidney 2 reducing method. Number 4, how to calm the spirit. In addition to the points just given to tonify yin and to disperse fire, other points can be used to calm the spirit depending on the situation and on the energy center affected. For example, CV14 for deficient yin with fear, CV17 for deficient yin with overexcitement or anxiety, yin tang for deficient yin with mental restlessness, and mian for deficient yin plus deficient blood with insomnia, GV20 for deficient yin plus hyperactive liver yang. Number 5, develop inner peace and strength. This can only happen when patients realize that their greatest resources lie within themselves, and when they make a daily routine of relaxation and meditation exercises that allow them to contact these resources and bring them out into their lives. Acupuncture can open a window of opportunity and the practitioner can give instructions and support, but it is only the patient's daily application that will lead them to a direct experience of the balance between yin and yang, the experience of unity. Number 6, readjust goals. Many people in the modern world set themselves goals that are inappropriate to their personality beyond their capacity or impossible within a given time limit. As a result, they burn out their reserves of energy and suffer both exhaustion and depression. Patient counseling is necessary if they are ever to rebuild the chi and yin, so that they understand both their abilities and limitations, select goals within their capacity, and allow themselves time to rest and recover. In the next video, we will discuss about yin and yang personality types, about yang and deficient yang treatment. Stay updated. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.